Thanks for purchasing the Q7 dashcam. This video will walk you through how to install and wire your Q7 dashcam. Part 1. Pre-installation check. Use the car charger provided to power the dashcam. Please don't use other power sources. Turn on the dashcam and make sure it powers up correctly. Then, connect the rear camera and check if it's displaying properly. If the dashcam isn't working, please reach out to us for a replacement or help. Part 2. Installing the dashcam on the front windshield. First, connect the suction mount to the dashcam unit. Next, push the locking lever down. Once you hear that click, the suction mount is locked in place. Locking the suction mount is super important. If it's not properly secured, your dashcam could fall off or lose connection. If you ever need to remove the dashcam, simply push the lever up to unlock the suction mount. And here's a warning. Don't try to pull the suction mount off by force without unlocking it first. That could damage your dashcam. Loosen the nut to adjust the angle of the mount. Find a good spot on your windshield to place the dashcam. Clean the area with a wet cloth, then dry it completely with a dry towel. Remove the protective film from the suction cup. Press the suction mount firmly onto the windshield. Turn the locking handle counterclockwise to secure in place. Tighten the nut to fix the angle. Part 3. Wiring the car charger. The wiring setup is the same as with the Q5 dashcam, so just follow that as your reference. Take out the car charger and plug it into the dashcam. Use the included cable clips to run the wire along the top edge of the windshield. For a cleaner look, tuck the wire into the gap between the windshield and the headliner. Follow the video guide to use the pry tool to hide the cable inside the trim and door seal. Tuck any extra wire into the passenger side footwell, or use cable clips to secure it under the glove box. Plug the charger into your car's cigarette lighter port. Remove the screen and lens protectors from the dashcam. Part 4. Wiring the rear camera. Find the rear camera cable in the box. Plug the end marked rear camera into the rear port on the dashcam. Use a new cable clip to secure the wire along the windshield. Just like before, tuck the wire into the trim and door seal as shown in video. Hide any excess cable. Please make sure to stick the rear camera to the rear window with the lens on the right and the Type-C port on the left. Peel off the 3M adhesive film on the rear camera. Stick it onto the rear windshield. Remove the lens protector. Insert the Type-C plug into the rear camera and make sure it's fully plugged in. Adjust the lens to face straight back. Power on the dashcam and check the rear camera view. Part 5. Using your Q7 dashcam. When turning on your dashcam for the first time, tap the settings icon to enter the system settings. Next, format the memory card. And don't forget, if you ever replace the memory card, you'll need to format it again before use. Press and hold the menu button for 3 seconds to enter the video playback screen. Here, you can switch between front and rear camera recordings, play videos, or delete clips you don't need. Just follow the icons on the screen. Let's walk through how to connect your Q7 dashcam to your smartphone. We recommend only connecting the dashcam to your phone when you need to download or share video. During regular driving, you don't need the connection. Keeping it connected may interfere with wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. And since the dashcam's Wi-Fi has no internet, you might miss out on real-time messages and app notifications. Here's how to connect. Step 1. On the dashcam, go to System Settings and manually turn on Wi-Fi. Step 2. On your phone, scan the QR code shown on the dashcam screen. Or search IIWEY in the App Store or Google Play and download. Step 3. Open the app and allow any permissions it asks for. You can choose to register with your email or simply tap Skip to continue without signing in. Step 4. Tap Add Camera. The app will take you to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Step 5. In your phone's Wi-Fi list, find the network name starting with IIWEY. Enter the password 12345678 to connect. On iPhones, wait for the blue check mark to appear. It may say the network has no internet. Just ignore that message. On Android devices, a pop-up will ask if you want to stay connected. Tap Always Connect anyway. Step 6. Now go back to the IIWEY app. It should automatically connect to your dash cam. Or tap Add Camera again. Once connected, tap Camera Files to browse your recordings. To save a video to your phone, tap the download icon. Please be patient while it downloads. Background downloading is not supported. After the download finishes, return to the app's home screen. In the Album tab, you'll find your saved videos, ready to share or edit. If you need support, tap the More button on the app's main screen. Then tap Contact Us and wait for the chat window to load. For Android users, remember to disconnect from the dashcam's Wi-Fi first, so your phone can go online. Tap Start Conversation, type your question, and add your email. If no one replies right away, or it's outside support hours, you can exit the chat. Later, just tap Contact Us again, then continue chat to resume where you left off. If you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out through the app.